Hello, my friend. Are you someone who wants to lose weight and keep it off for good, but you just love social occasions and potlucks and social gatherings where there's usually a lot of temptation in the form of appetizers and desserts and treats that you don't necessarily want to be indulging in on this particular day? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to prevent overeating at parties and social gatherings. My first tip is you want to eat a large protein and fat serving before you go to the party. Protein and fat are the highest satiety macronutrients, so if you have a large serving of protein, animal protein is definitely going to be the best, but if you're a vegetarian, you could do a plant-based protein shake. So you're gonna wanna get about 40 grams of protein from your protein serving. So that's probably gonna look something like this. So definitely a larger portion than what you would normally eat. And then if it's plant-based protein powder, I'd say about 40 grams of protein. So that's probably gonna be, or maybe even 60 grams. So maybe even 3 scoops of protein of like a plant-based protein shake. And then you wanna combine that with some fats. So if you're having a plant-based protein shake, I would say doing like a nut or seed butter. Almond butter, sunflower seed butter is gonna be the most filling, or you could do coconut oil, but I do find nut butters to be more filling. And then with the animal protein, you could do something like avocado and then lots of vegetables. Now, you'd be amazed at how much more willpower you're gonna have if you really do this soon before you go to the party. You may not even wanna eat anything. I've had this experience before, so it's very powerful. So if you want to resist those treats at holiday parties or at social occasions in general, then definitely try this out. My tip number 2 is bring something healthy to share. There are so many delicious, healthy dessert recipes or appetizers that you can make, and then you're having your large animal protein and fat serving before you go, so you're already naturally going to be not hungry, and then you've brought something that's nice that you can share with others so that you can just have something that you brought. You're not gonna be that party pooper who is just on a diet and not eating at the party, right? And then everyone else will enjoy what you brought also. Also, I have a free gift for you that's going to help you next time you go to a potluck or a party and you need a healthy recipe to make and bring. And that is my Healthy Crowd-Pleasing Recipes Guide. So you can grab the guide for free by clicking the link somewhere around this video. Be sure to grab it. It's going to be a great resource for you next time you have a party to go to. If you're interested in enjoying something that's healthy and keep a tight waistline or work towards a tight waistline doing it. So I hope this was helpful. In this video, I shared how to prevent overeating at social occasions. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment below helpful if this video helped you. Also, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is gonna go up on the screen now. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here and here. And also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.